everyone, I'm Kelly of Kelly Creates, and this is my dream pen. When my design team and I were talking about the pen, I said, my dream pen has two ends, a small brush tip end and a large brush tip end. And I have it in my hands, the dream pen, that has the two ends, one large brush tip and one small. So the large brush tip has bigger, thick and thin lines, and the small brush tip has smaller, thick and thin lines. And they write beautifully and have a wonderful flex for brush lettering. I chose 10 of my favorite colors and I've got to name them. This one is called Ocean. Ocean is a beautiful blue and it reminds me of the ocean. So let me show you the rest of the beautiful colors and I'll write their names for you. These are all of my dream pens. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do and they bring some calm and joy into your life.
Subscribe to our channel and share your projects using the hashtag #MakeItWithMichaels.